老铁们，今天用新出的 GPD WIN MAX 2给大家演示下办公软件。
Oh boy.
You know, I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy. Give me a break. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. 'Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we do much. We're not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I love the way you look me in the eyes when you joke up but can't apologize, 'cause you are too afraid to hurt your pride. I guess you were just so misunderstood. You know I'm never truly gone for good. If I could look inside your brain, you know I would. You know I would. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit.
修改一下参数。
I'm not angry anymore, just a little.
上面为2，下面为3。
'Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't much. We're not angry anymore,
可以导出了。 导出时间17点26分，导出时间快进一下。导出结束时间17点30分，一共用了4分钟。导出一共171 MB 大小，932 MB 的文件导出171 MB， 一共用了4分钟，已经非常快速。 打开看一下画面，画质还是一样高清。今天视频就先这样。